18mm large eyepiece binoculars, larger image, clearer details 2.25 times the image size of 12mm eyepiece, for example 10 by 25, 12 by 25, 10 by 21 binoculars, 1.28 times of 16mm eyepiece, for example ordinary 10 by 42, 12 by 42 binoculars. Large eyepiece binoculars make full use of 12x magnification, deliver larger image, ensure clearer details. 16.5mm big back 4 prism lens binoculars, super bright, crisp view, collect 32% more light than 12.5mm prism lens, for example 10 by 25, 12 by 25, 10 by 21 binoculars. 13.7% of 14.5mm prism lens, for example ordinary 10 by 42, 12 by 42 binoculars. 16.5mm prism lens take 100% advantage of 42mm objective lens, collect more lights, deliver brighter view. Powerful 12 by 42 binoculars for adults with only 1.25 pounds with only 560 grams weight. Adasian 12 by 42 binoculars deliver 367 feet/1000 yards large field of view. Perfect binoculars for bird watching, hunting, sports events. Binoculars with adjustable eye cups, suitable for glasses wearers. Binoculars with new phone adapter, enjoy photographing quick alignment, compatible with phone case, portable and stable. Suitable for iPhone X, 8P. 8, 7P, 7, 6, 6s, 6P, 5, 5s, Samsung Galaxy S8.